Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate snapshots for VPS data protection, full guide step by step clearly. Start by logging into your VPS management panel. Navigate to the snapshots section within the dashboard. Locate the option to enable or activate snapshots for your VPS. Click on the toggle switch or checkbox to enable the feature. Review any prompts or settings that may appear. Confirm your selection to activate the snapshots. Next, choose the frequency of the snapshots. You may have options such as daily, weekly, or on demand. Select the preferred schedule that best meets your data protection needs. Proceed to configure any additional settings if prompted. This may include retention policies or storage options. Once all settings are adjusted, look for the option to save or apply changes. Click on the Save button to finalize your configurations. After saving, verify that the Snapshots feature is now listed as active. To create an initial snapshot, locate the Create Snapshot button. Click on it to start the snapshot creation process. You may be asked to provide a name or description for the snapshot. Enter a relevant name that helps you identify the snapshot later. Confirm the creation of the snapshot. Wait for the process to complete, as it may take a few moments. Once finished, you should see your new snapshot listed in the Snapshots section. Regularly check your VPS management panel to ensure snapshots are created as scheduled. If necessary, adjust the snapshot settings according to any changes in your data protection strategy. Now you are all set to utilize snapshots for your VPS data protection. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.